Oh shit. Marvin do is good, y'all. Show me what's good, dog. Dang,
Let that shit go. Let that shit go, man. Let that shit go. Let that go, man. Y'all shouldn't even be letting them fight, man. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Come on, man. Come on, man. Let that shit go, man. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Come on, man. Come on, man. Well, you better get your ass going, man, because I'm
come on, we're going to the park.
Pretty upset about this bullshit.
All right, come on.
Y'all out there letting them get down like that, man. Y'all shouldn't be letting them.
Muhammad! No, we're going to the park. No, tell Muhammad that Zach said we could finish it in the park.
Huh?
Tell Muhammad Zach said we're going to finish it in the park. No, it's not over yet. In the park! The park! The park!
Let that go, man.
Who?
No, I'm hanging out with him. I'm done. I'm done.
You gotta do better than that, Zach.
I was about to.
You're getting
Then he
whooped.
backed off. I could have taken one shot on him and knocked him down.
Oh, would you?
What would I have?
I thought you could fight, bro.
Dude, get out of here. You're still recording that?
No,
I
man.
can't still fight.
You can?
Yeah?
You better fuck him up next round then. I'm telling
Next
you
round.
over here where they can't, the adults can't see us. Damn, I knew we should have did it part the first place.
Huh?
I knew they were going to see us and say something. Does right here seem good?
Hold on.
Who you calling?
Dad?
Your dad? You don't tell him about it.
No.
Fuck, I can't record while I call him.
About what?
Who, me? Yeah, I got called to come here.
What about you? It wasn't open to fines. You didn't tell me not to. No, I didn't. Alright. Genesis Court. I don't know. Where should I be? What? Okay. Alright, man, you coming?
Where?
Miles.
No. You going inside your house?
Huh? No. I'm just going back.
Why? You in trouble?
No, I don't know.
So you're not allowed to be outside.
I don't know yet.
Well,
Yeah.
oh, shut that. I'm gonna end this video. If he says why you dirty, so you fell or something.